Well, hello. Today we're going to be working on Wildcat a little bit here, my 2023 F-150. We're going to put some mirrors on it so we can see around the little camper a little better. And who knows, one day we might get a bigger camper, but we're still loving our little Puma camper right now. So we got this box in, and as far as I've went so far is I've cut the top of it. Now I did notice when I ordered this, and we will put a link into our description below where you can use our Amazon affiliate account to get these if we decide if they're good enough or not for you. But all I've done so far is cut the top off, open on the box, and then I'm going to open it up here. One thing it did say, it does not come with instructions. Get professional installation for this product. Well, I'm not getting paid for this, but I'm going to give it a shot anyway. So come along with me. Let's see how this goes.
Checking off projects, learning as he goes. Will it be perfect? Watching, let's see how it goes. This is David's way, so take that as you may. He's just loving the real world in his own DIY way.
Okay. Here is a mirror. Yeah, it looks like a mirror. It looks like it's for the driver's side. It says it's heated, partially powered. Just wish me luck here. First thing I'm gonna do, attempt to get this little piece off right here. Just grab the side of it and kind of popped it off. It only has a little clips on it. It has a little clip. Just kind of push it in and pull it down. Then bring out my old trusty Cobalt socket set. Looks like it's 10 millimeters. Would you like to use extension or no other purpose of just because I wanted to? So it's got it's got 2 nuts and 2 bolts. All of them are 10 millimeter. So I'm going to take the 2 bolts out. 2 bolts out first, take the bottom nut out in second, then I'll take the top nut out last. And that gives you your driver's side mirror. Yay! So go back here and get the replacement mirror. Looks like it's got some styrofoam in it. Clear all that styrofoam out before I put it on there. Hopefully I'll get it out. I doubt I will. That's what they make car washes for. Now the bottom one. Trying again not to drop it to the abyss in the bottom. without cross threading it. See how that looks over here. Okay, finished tightening down all the bolts. Double check. Place that back on there. Get our little cover again. Line it up. And the mirror moves. And this one right here is the manual. So you can push it anywhere you want it. Then it slides out and in. So if you're interested in this, we'll leave a link in the description below. We might even put something up here on the screen. Again, it's from Amazon, and really helps our channel out when you use those links. I'm not sure why they want a professional to do this, but if a country boy like me can do it, you can too. It's just wash, rinse, and repeat on the other side. So until next time, we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.